how to change your oil in 30 seconds. At the end of this video, you won't need to go to a mechanic for an oil change. Step 1 is make sure you have a replacement oil filter. This is where my oil filter goes, but yours might be somewhere else. Step 2 is make sure that you have the correct oil. Most bikes take 10W40. Step 3, start the bike and warm it up for about 10 minutes and get up to temp. Step 4, loosen the filler cap, go underneath and loosen the drain bolt. That's mine right there. Step 5, let the oil drain out. Step 6, remove the oil filter and put in a new one. Step 7, plug in a drain plug and fill up the oil from here and get the bike running up to temp. An oil change is as easy as that. You do not need to go to a mechanic for this. Like and follow for more.